Unusual items you can compost and tips for better decomposition. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce waste and enrich your soil. While you may already toss in fruit scraps and vegetable peels, there are plenty of less obvious items that can break down beautifully in your compost bin. Here's a list of unusual compost-friendly items and tips to make your compost pile even more effective. Unusual compost items. 1. Coffee grounds and filters. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which helps fuel decomposition. Paper coffee filters can also go right in as long as they're unbleached. 2. Hair and pet fur. Clean out your brush. Add human hair or pet fur. Hair is rich in nitrogen, but takes time to decompose, so cut it into smaller pieces if you can. 3. Shredded newspapers or cardboard paper. From newspapers or cardboard, think toilet paper rolls or egg cartons, can be shredded and added. Avoid glossy or heavily printed materials. 4. Wine corks. Real cork, not synthetic, can be composted. Just break it into smaller pieces first for faster decomposition. 5. Tea bags. Many tea bags, if they are free of plastic materials, can be composted along with the tea leaves. Tear open bags to be sure. 6. Nut shells. Compost shells from peanuts, walnuts, pistachios, and other nuts. Avoid salted or flavored shells. Crush them for quicker breakdown. 7. Natural fiber clothing. Old cotton or wool clothing can be shredded and composted if free of synthetic blends or dyes. Remove any zippers, buttons, or other non-compostable materials first. 8. Wine, beer, or leftover liquids. Small amounts of wine or beer can speed up microbial activity in your bin. Avoid adding too much to prevent sludgy compost. 9. Pencil shavings. The wood and graphite from pencil shavings will decompose over time. Just make sure they aren't painted or treated. 10. Used paper towels. As long as they're not covered in grease or chemicals, used paper towels can be added to the pile. 11. Condiments and sauces. Small amounts of expired ketchup, mustard, or soy sauce can be composted. Avoid dairy-based or oily sauces. 12. Old herbs and spices. Have expired seasonings in the back of your pantry? Those can go in too. 13. Houseplant debris. Dead leaves and clippings from indoor plants are great additions, whether they're fresh or dried. Tips for effective composting: balance your greens and browns. For the best decomposition, maintain a balance between nitrogen-rich greens, like food scraps, and carbon-rich browns, like dry leaves or shredded paper. Aerate your compost. Turn your pile regularly to ensure your compost gets enough oxygen. Lack of oxygen can slow down decomposition and cause unpleasant odors. Avoid composting certain materials. Some items don't belong in your bin, such as meat, dairy, or oils, as they attract pests and create odor issues. Chop it up. Break items into smaller pieces before adding them, as this speeds up decomposition. Don't forget moisture. Compost should feel like a wrung-out sponge. Too dry, and decomposition slows. Too wet, and you'll invite mold. Get creative with what you toss into your compost bin. By incorporating some of these unusual items, you'll reduce waste further and create richer soil for your garden.